In the heart of Western Kenya lies Hamisi sub-county, rich in culture, fertile land, yet scarred by a silent affliction that has long robbed communities of dignity and health. For years, jigger infestation has left children and adults in pain, isolated, and unable to work or attend school. But recently, hope arrived. A team of dedicated researchers from Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology is leading a bold scientific mission that could end the suffering caused by jiggers once and for all. Led by Professor Maurice Vincent Omolo, the MUST research team has spent 7 years studying natural and chemical compounds that could stop jiggers in their tracks. From their laboratories in Kakamega, a formulation, Funza Gel, was invented following a patent grant by Kenya Industrial Property Institute, KIPI, and funding by the National Research Fund, Kenya. Thereafter, 3 promising refined formulations of the Funza Gel were born: FB001, HB001, and MB001, the fruit of a cross-border collaboration between Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, supported by the BioInnovate Africa grant. The safest test of the FB001, HB001, and MB001 with laboratory rabbits by Carlo revealed that HB001 and MB001 had no adverse effects on the animals. A similar safety test study with healthy individuals at the Center for African Medicinal and Nutritional Flora and Fauna at MUST also revealed that HB001 and MB001 was safer than FB001.
I'm Professor Peter Bukhala, the Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of planning, research and innovation at Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology. Today we are in Hamisi in Vihiga County. We are testing our research innovations to see how we can eliminate these jiggers from the community.
I would like to appreciate our partners and stakeholders at large for what they have been doing. First of all, to acknowledge BioInnovate Africa and our own National Research Fund, Kenya, plus partnering institutions, which include the Gulu University of Uganda. In Tanzania we have, and the ATZ group of companies from Arusha. Then we have Calro, the former KARI in Kenya, and the county governments themselves. So with me here, I'm standing with the members of the county council and their public health officers. Their main duty is that they follow what we are doing, and then number 2, once we are over a site, they are going to spray even the homes where the people came from, so that we have that, is it an insect? The flea? Yes, so that the flea, so that it does not grow, it can be controlled. But more important, I think they are preaching the message of good hygiene and good health to the people. So pass my regards to both even your MP, political class, and the governor where you can. This is the University of Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, the University of Choice.
What informed the selection of Vihiga County is that it happens to be having quite a number of people that are suffering this problem from Western Circuit. I would say Vihiga has so many people infested, Of course, Busia County is also infested, particularly the Teso area. And we are also going to test this in Kakamega County.
We are dealing with 5 forms of drug that we have come to work on. That is our drug number 1 is Funza gel, which is the crude, the original nicotine-based drug. Number 2, we have HB001, which is the half of the nicotine. Then we have number 3, we have MB001, which has got a 0.25, the less one of the drug that we are going to use. Then we have the control. This control, it has no any contents of the drug, but we are just using it as a control for the researchers. You understand when we say the control. Then we have now the common one which has been used on the market, which is potassium permanganate. So the potassium permanganate in this case, it is one in a way that it will also help us if what we are going to introduce is more effective than potassium permanganate. The benefit of the one that we are going to work with. So these are research-based drugs. Currently we are doing it as a research. So if it will turn out to be effective the way it has done previously in our lab and in our guinea pigs, then we will automatically re-embark to the community and we will make sure that they benefit from the research.
In collaboration with local health officials, the MUST team conducted a drug safety and efficacy test in Hamisi Sub-County, home to some of the most severely affected patients.
My name is Juliet Mwanga. I'm a public health officer from Vihiga Sub-County, Lugaga wa Mluma Ward. I'm speaking from Burudi village. We've come to the community with a team from Masinde Muliro, being led by Professor Maurice Omolo. We are here to cover or to deal with jigger treatment. It has affected our community, mostly the old age and the school-going children. So we are here to ensure that they are being helped. We want to prevent more spread of the jiggers and control it. And we appreciate the Masindo Muliro team. They have helped us.
The new formulations, Funza Gel, FB001 and MB001, were compared with potassium permanganate, the Ministry of Health's approved standard treatment. Over several weeks, the team monitored healing rates, reduction of infestation, and patient comfort. The difference was clear. While potassium permanganate had limited success on severe cases, most new treatment, particularly Funza Gel, HB001 and MB001, showed remarkable efficacy, rapidly eliminating jiggers and accelerating healing. Beyond the scientific success, this research has transformed lives. Parents can walk again, children can walk to school. The stigma that once surrounded jigger victims is slowly fading in the few households that got involved in the trials. Through community education, consistent follow-up, reinfestation is being reduced, creating cleaner, healthier households. The Hamisi and Vihiga trial is part of the broader East African research effort, bringing together experts from Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania to share data, refine formulations, and standardize treatment protocols. This partnership underscores a powerful truth. When Africa scientists unite, local challenges can yield global solutions.
We've been here since Tuesday. We've been treating the jigger cases that we had, and the impact is good to the community. At least those that are being treated, there is some improvement, and we appreciate, because now the productivity of the community will increase. Those that have been affected will now be able, after getting healed, they'll be able to go back to their daily activities and make sure that they are productive to the community. And also for the school-going children, we had a few who are also adversely affected by the jiggers. The exercise has helped them. They have been treated, and we are hopeful that at the end of the exercise, the children will now be whole. They'll be able to learn well. They'll be able to concentrate well in class.
With continued funding from NRF and BioInnovate Africa, the team plans to scale up production and seek regulatory approval, paving the way for national rollout. From the laboratories of Masinde Muliro University to the villages of Hamisi, science has made its mark.
Mtoto ilikuwa inamsumbua, alikuwa anachukuna usiku sana akilia. Ile wamekuja kuwekea dawa ama daktari, na shukuru. Jana alilala, siku yenye ulikuja ya kwanza alilala vizuri. Tena jana amelala mzuri. Alafu yake imeanza kutoka nje, imebaki tu mmoja kwa mguu. Namshukuru sana hawa madaktari.
Naitwa Nanzi Kavoka Kinuthia, natoka hapa Vukuvera. Mimi ni mkaaji wa hapa. Huyu kijana yetu ni wa hapa Vukuvera. Amesumbuka sana na hizi jiggers siku mingi sana, hata tulikuwa nafikiria itakuwaje, lakini venye daktari umechukua hatua kusaidia huyu kijana, tumeshukuru, na tena uendelee namna hiyo. Mungu akubariki sana. Sasa tunajua ya kwamba ata survive. Hiyo ni vizuri sana, mmefanya vizuri kukumbuka hao vijana wetu na watoto wetu hao na wazee wetu hapa. Muendelee na moyo hiyo ili tumalize hizi jiggers kwa hii area. Hayo tu, Mungu akubariki.
So I'll try to translate a little bit for the few that I got. She mentioned her names, and she says that she's a neighbor to the patient, and she is a witness as to how seriously affected the patient was by the jiggers. And she's saying that it is just a short time since we began treating the patient, who wouldn't be able to walk or even stand properly, and his self-esteem was too low, and she has seen tremendous progress and improvement within this short period of time. She is very grateful to the kind of work we are doing, and she's praying that God blesses us and that we continue with the same spirit and same heart to support more people that are affected. Wacha tusikie kwa Francis mwenyewe.
Huyu Murai angonye runyashi kwanza. Sawa. Bye.
He is very grateful, as he was speaking in his mother tongue. He is very grateful for the kind of work we've done, for assisting and giving him this medication, which was HB001.
The Anti-Jigger campaign drug test is more than a research milestone. It is a story of compassion, collaboration, and resilience. Through innovation, dedication, and unity, Moose has brought healing to households where there was pain, proving that when science serves humanity, the results are transformative. Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, empowering communities through research and innovation.